Hi viewers, glad to meet you all through this English for Elegance channel. This is my third episode. I am Dr.S.Venkatesh from the Department of English at the Madura College. In my previous two episodes, I was discussing the formation of sentences. What is a sentence? How it is made? What is a good communication? How to enlarge a sentence and so on. Now I am going to focus on the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, or the declarative sentence, or the statement. Number two, the interrogative sentence. Number three, the imperative sentence. And number four, the exclamatory sentence. The first one is assertive sentence, or the declarative, or the statement. How it is used? This is basically used for expressing an incident or something that happened in the past or giving an information, etc. For example, India got freedom on 15th August 1947. India got freedom on 15th August 1947 is an example for assertive sentence. Number two, I will speak English fluently. I will speak English fluently. Another example is, my friends are going to the college. My friends are going to the college. These three are simple examples for the first type of sentence, that is statement or declarative sentence or assertive sentence. The second is interrogative sentence or making questions. For example, where do you want to go? How many brothers and sisters do you have? When did India get independence? What's your hobby? When will you return from Bangalore? For making questions, we have to use the WH model or auxiliary verbs like do, does, did, is, or, am, will, shall, should, can, could, etc. With these words, you can begin a sentence for making a question. How long will you stay there? When will he come from the USA? So when we ask questions, it comes under the interrogative sentence. And when the reply comes from somebody, it comes under the statement. So when you make a question, you are expecting the reply. So this is a conversation. Either you ask questions, or you reply, whatever it is. So the process of asking questions and giving replies comes under the conversation. It may be telephonic or direct. The third one is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are made for making commands, requests, suggestions, advice, etc. For example, please don't do this. Kindly help the poor. Please open the door. Don't do this next time. When we say such sentences, either we are giving the command or requesting somebody to do this, that, etc. The third type, that is the imperative sentence, also ends with a full stop at the end. And the last one is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are used for showing surprise or wonder, shock, etc. Something unbelievable happens all of a sudden. So we have to use this. For example, how beautiful the flower is. What a wonderful child. What a great monument! How dare you do this? What a fine piece of reply it was. Please remember, for making the exclamatory sentences, even though we begin the sentence with what, how, etc., kindly don't use the question mark at the end. Instead, please use the exclamatory mark because this is not a question. This is not like what are you doing, where are you going, etc. This is what a beautiful shot, how great the man is, what a fantastic movie, what a useful show. So, please remember there are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and the exclamatory sentence. In my next class, I'll be dealing with another important subject. Thank you once again. I'll also be holding contests for the viewers, and when I get best replies from the viewers, I'll give them gifts. Thank you.